All right, let's go with Bishop Kukah now. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Hello, Patrick, Tommy, distinguished professor, public intellectual, wonderful husband and father, and we've come a long way. But of course, you have been the senior prefect in all of this, and I want to congratulate you. 68 years, not too bad, nice try, but we elders have to do what elders must do, namely to encourage their young ones. I'm sorry I'm unable to be with you physically, but as you know, emotionally I'm with you. But even more importantly, we prayed and we pray for you for this wonderful day. But we would like to thank God for what you have accomplished and what you've meant and what you still mean to us in our country and Africa at large. We celebrate your wonderful gifts, but also most importantly that you have placed these gifts before Nigerians. And I want to assure you that your contributions have helped to shape this country in more ways than you can understand. Of course, naturally, we'll remain totally dissatisfied with the quality of progress that we have made, but I want to tell you that for many of us, your writings, your speeches, your energy and your strength have been a source of inspiration, but for those of us who are your seniors and those who are coming behind you. You have assembled a wonderful team that will be having a conversation today. Of course, nobody would have expected anything different because naturally we know that these are the kind of things you would do rather than drinking champagne in some ballroom in a five-star hotel somewhere in Lagos or Abuja. But this is you at your best. Well, I know that if we understand our country, the room would be full of people lamenting about how woefully we have performed. But I like to look ahead, one as a man of faith, but also, quite frankly, to say that in very many ways, our situation may not be as horrible as we wanted to make it look, because there are in many dimensions we're not where we're supposed to be, but we've not done too badly in many respects. And I think what we should be focusing on now are the great things that lie ahead and the possibilities of achieving those things. We have a much more robust environment for politics and debate and conversation. We may be failing in the areas of physical infrastructure and other indices of progress, such as insecurity. But as we can see, and I'm sure that as the speakers, one speaker after the other will testify, there will be those who are men and women of theory, and then of course, happily you've brought in three illustrious governors who are doing their best, and I believe that their stories will also be pointers to where the country should be going. To them, a lot has been given, and to them we expect that this country will benefit. So I think that looking ahead, the indicators, don't give us a wonderful picture. But like I said, it is possible for this country to turn the corner. We need to renew our energy. We need to renew our greater commitment. And we hope that those who are in the business of governance can also appreciate the fact that without a much more refined set of navigational tools based on a serious analysis of the defects of the structure that we call Nigeria, it will be difficult for us to continue to govern by happenstance. So I want to congratulate you and thank you in anticipation for this conversation, and we hope that we'll be able to see the fruits of this conversation. And what can I say? I wish you all the best, many more years. In 2 years' time, you will be 70. But remember, I will not be standing in one spot. I will still be ahead of you because I'll be heading towards my own retirement.
For updates.